Hello guys, welcome to CoopTech. In this channel we talk about how to make money online, how to build your traffic, how to look for a perfect keyword that will make your content to rank on Google. If you do love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Before we talk about how to get a perfect keyword for your content, let me show you one of my content that is ranking on page 1 of Google. So you click and type in one feature premium, as you can see. Once you click it, you can see this is my content right here. It's ranking on page 1 top 2 of Google. So in this video I'm going to show you how to look for a perfect keyword that you can be able to rank for on Google. The keyword tool we will be talking about is free and you don't need to pay anything for it. Many people might be wondering, I have been writing content and the content is not ranking on page 1 of Google. They don't know what's happening. Today I'm going to show you the secret on how to make sure that your content rank on page 1 of Google. So let's dive into the tool. So the tool we'll be talking about today is Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a perfect tool that allows you to look for a keyword that can rank on page 1 of Google. I will show you two methods on how to search for a perfect keyword that will rank on Google. So if you want to rank on Google, you have to click on discover new keywords. After you have click on that, you have to change your location to the targeted location that you want to target, so that the keyword that will be pulled out will be for that particular location. So click on, right now I'm from Nigeria, the location is Nigeria, so I wanted to target the US, so I have to just write in UX. So as you can see, UX, click on target and click on save. Once you have saved that, you have to click whatever your niches that you want to target. You have to type it in here and it will pull out keywords related to that, and it will also suggest keyword for you that you can use. So let me type in something. How to build my online niche is what I'm trying to target. So then you click on get result. What this does is it will pull out all the results related to how to, oh, okay, let's search something else. Okay, let's type in digital marketing. So okay, let's try this again one more time. So as you can see, it pulled out 548 keyword idea available for this. So what I want you to do right now is to come to this particular sign here, click on it, then you have to click on competition and change it to low competition keyword. If you want to do this, you have to click on it and it will come like this. But let me show you another thing. Sometimes it doesn't work like that. You have to click it and click on competition. you have to select the if it is low competition, medium competition, or high competition. But because you have a website that doesn't have backlinks or that doesn't have high DA, you have to click low competition keyword and click apply. Once you have applied that, it will separate all the keyword low competition keyword from the medium or high competition keyword. What I want you to do is to click on download keyword ideas. If you use CSV, it will save to your system. If you use Google Sheet, it will save to Chrome, and you can be able to open it on Google Sheet, but I prefer using CSV. So let's wait for the keywords to download. So as you can see, it's downloading. Let's wait. Okay, it has downloaded it. Okay, let me open this. As you can see, these are all the keywords we just searched, all the low competition keywords. So basically, if you want to rank for all of these keywords, you have to look for a keyword that is at least 10, have a competition which is a search difficulty of 10. So normally, look at this keyword right here. Chieftain digital is a perfect keyword. Traditional marketing, this have keyword competition of 2. Look at this one right here. Internet marketing agency have a keyword competition of 9. So there are so many keywords that you can be able to rank for. So look at this one, have keyword difficulty of 0. Digital marketing total front page. So all these are keywords that you can rank for. So please, if you do love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video.